The enchanting Aglaonema commutatum, a guide for plant enthusiasts. The Aglaonema commutatum. This stunning houseplant, with its captivating interplay of deep green and silvery gray variegation, has become a personal favorite in my collection. Beyond its visual allure, the Aglaonema commutatum boasts a reputation for resilience, making it ideal for both seasoned plant parents and enthusiastic beginners like myself. Over the past year, I've delved into the world of caring for this tropical wonder, and I'm eager to share my experiences and insights with you. In this guide, we'll explore the captivating world of the Aglaonema commutatum, from its captivating features to the essential tips for ensuring it thrives in your home. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. What is Aglaonema commutatum? Native to the Philippines and northeastern Sulawesi, the Aglaonema commutatum, also known as the Chinese evergreen or the poison dart plant, though the latter moniker refers to a historical and proven use, is a member of the Araceae family. Its upright, bushy growth habit lends a touch of elegance to any indoor space. The true stars of the show, however, are the leaves. Elliptic in shape and reaching up to 8 inches in length, they boast a rich, deep green base adorned with eye-catching silver-gray blotches. These captivating markings dance across the foliage, creating a mesmerizing interplay of light and shadow. While not a frequent bloomer indoors, the Aglaonema commutatum can occasionally surprise you with a unique inflorescence. A white spadix, often partially enclosed by a greenish-white spathe, emerges from the base of the plant. This may be followed by clusters of vibrant red berries, adding a pop of color to the overall aesthetic. How to care for Aglaonema commutatum. Now that we've been captivated by the Aglaonema commutatum's beauty, let's delve into the secrets of keeping it happy and thriving. Light. This tropical beauty prefers dappled sunlight or bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Finding the right watering balance is key. Overwatering is a common culprit for problems, so err on the side of underwatering. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out completely before watering again. Humidity. As a native of the tropics, the Aglaonema commutatum appreciates moderate to high humidity levels. Grouping your plants together or using a humidifier can help create a more favorable environment. Soil. Opt for a well-draining, loose potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants. A mixture containing perlite or orchid bark can ensure proper drainage and prevent root rot. Temperature. The Aglaonema commutatum thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature fluctuations or drafts. Cultivating more beauty. Propagating your Aglaonema commutatum. The good news is that propagating your Aglaonema commutatum is a relatively straightforward process. Here are 2 popular methods. Stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem section with at least 2 nodes. Remove the lower leaves and plant the cutting in a pot filled with moist potting mix. Keep the soil consistently moist and provide gentle warmth using a heat mat, optional. New growth should emerge in a few weeks. Division. When repotting a mature plant, you can carefully divide it into sections, ensuring each division has healthy roots and foliage. Plant each division in its own pot with fresh potting mix and care for them as you would an established plant. Adding harmony. Choosing the perfect companions for your Aglaonema commutatum. The Aglaonema commutatum plays well with others. Here are some houseplants that share similar care requirements and can create a visually stunning combination. ZZ plant. Zemioculca zemifolia. This low-maintenance beauty shares the Aglaonema commutatum's appreciation for moderate light and watering. Snake plant. Sansevieria trifasciata. Another champion of low light and infrequent watering. The snake plant adds a touch of architectural interest with its upright, sword-like leaves. Philodendron Birkin. This stunning philodendron features unique, variegated foliage that complements the Aglaonema commutatum's aesthetic beautifully. By following these simple tips and providing your Aglaonema commutatum with the right environment, you can cultivate a thriving, visually captivating addition to your indoor haven. So, why not embark on this journey together and witness the magic of this captivating plant unfold in your home?